Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best brake dust cleaner on Amazon. If you've noticed your wheels are looking grimy and dirty, you're likely not just seeing the dirt that's collected during drives. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Mother's Foaming Wheel and Tire Cleanser. If you're searching for an acid-free formula, Mother's Foaming Wheel and Tire Cleanser will meet your needs. This quick cleaning solution is made with no acid in its mix, which makes it safer for more finishes and gives you a little more peace of mind. It can be used on both your wheels and your tires, and it's safe for factory or OEM wheels and rims. It's also a clear coat safe formula, meaning you can apply it to alloy, steel, or chrome surfaces with clear coated finishes. As a foaming cleaner, this brake dust solution sprays on, sits, and foams until it penetrates all of the grime hanging onto your wheels and then can be rinsed away. And it works on grease and oil in addition to brake dust, too. While this brake dust cleaner is non-acidic, this detail doesn't automatically make it safe for all finishes and surfaces. What we like about it: non-acidic formula is safe for clear coats. Easy to apply and clean off. No hand drying required. Works on brake dust, grease, dirt, and grime of all kinds. What we don't like about it: can eat through paint on painted surfaces. May leave streaks after rinsing. Number 2. Griot's Garage Heavy Duty Wheel Cleaner. For a gentler formula that won't corrode or strip your wheels, Griot's Garage Heavy Duty Wheel Cleaner can easily tackle stubborn brake dust without wrecking your exterior. This brake dust cleaner is specifically formulated to be gentle enough for all surfaces and finishes, from your tires to your rims to your exterior paint. What we like about it: gentle on rims, finishes, and painted surfaces. Breaks down brake dust and grime. Non-acidic, pH balanced, and non-caustic. Sticks to surfaces while it works. What we don't like about it: does require elbow grease and scrubbing. May not completely remove sticky substances like tar and grease. Number 3. Armor All Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. If you're dealing with seriously tough brake dust that other cleaners can't completely eliminate, you might want to enlist the help of Armor All Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This foaming action cleaner is made for heavy-duty dust, dirt, and debris of various kinds. And when you apply the spray to your wheels, it'll cling to the surface, bubbling up to seep into even the tight nooks and crannies of your rims, so all of the brake dust is tackled. The foam penetrates for just 30 seconds, then can be wiped off, rinsed, and dried. With a triple action formula, it can lift away even the most stubborn baked-on dirt, including brake dust that hasn't been cleaned off in a while. What we like about it: works on brake dust, grease, and grime. Seeps into nooks and crannies automatically. Leaves behind shine and wet black tires. What we don't like about it: may stain exterior paint. Can strip the finish on some metals and rims. Number 4. Armor All Heavy Duty Wheel and Tire Cleaner Foam. When it comes to a hard-working brake dust cleaner that makes removing buildup a breeze, the Armor All Heavy Duty Wheel and Tire Cleaner Foam fits the bill. This cleaning solution lives up to its name, providing a heavy-duty solution to fight even long-time brake dust and get your wheels sparkling once again. This cleaner instantly foams up when sprayed, and it goes on blue. Once it's broken down the iron buildup, it turns white and is ready to be washed away. All you have to do is spray, wait, and scrub away, and you don't have to scrub hard. Plus, as an added bonus, once you've washed the foam away. What we like about it: intense, hard-working foaming action. Doesn't require deep scrubbing to be highly effective. Goes on blue, turns white when finished. Applies an invisible protective coating. What we don't like about it: may remove factory coating on some wheels. Number 5. Eagle One All Wheel and Tire Triple Cleaning Foam Spray. Eagle One All Wheel and Tire Triple Cleaning Foam is a spray-on brake dust solution that takes pretty much all of the hard work out of cleaning your wheels and rims. In fact, it'll even clean your tires. This cleaning solution creates a thick foam once it's sprayed onto your wheels, and it breaks down brake dust as well as grease and grime. What we like about it: works on brake dust, grease, and grime. Safe for all factory-coated, clear-coated, and painted wheels. No scrubbing required. Rims are completely clean once finished. What we don't like about it. Spray nozzles and triggers can perform poorly. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.